In this, I'll tell you how to fix the Valorant. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance error VAN9003. I give you 3 methods to solve. So first, you click run and enter the tpm.msc. Click OK, and you need to see the status. The tpm is ready to use. If it is okay, the status is okay. If you have any error, you need to refresh. Then again click run and write this and check the BIOS mode and secure boot state. If it's same condition, it's okay. So this is a second method. So click the game and open file location and click the root game and click Valorant and click live. Go to connect Win64 and check the application Valorant. So in this, go to properties and click the run as a program as an administrator, apply and click OK. And once check if it is running or not. If the issue again repeats, then you need to revert back this. Revert back properties and revert back, apply and OK, and go for third method. So in these, go to control panel and uninstall the application. So Riot Vanguard, you need to uninstall this. So don't panic, it will be automatically installed. Once you restart and click the game Valorant, it will automatically install. So if the three method is not work, you need to go to reset the PC, press F2 del escape and find the security tpm, ptt, fTPM and enable it.